Hello, Rija.
Zahid.
Assalamualaikum.
Yes. Waalaikumsalam again. How are you? Hi, ma'am. Pasok po kayo.
Where are you from?
From Philippines.
You from Philippines.
Yes.
You,
Ma'am Gina.
yeah. You wear
Come
hijab.
here. Come up.
You wear hijab. What's your religion?
Muslim. Maguindanao.
Muslim.
Malungkot na ba ito?
Before I met
Yeah.
a lot of Filipina girls who are not Muslim, but first time I
I'm
got
Muslim
a
too.
guy in this platform who is Muslim. Mashallah, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah. Ito ba nalahin? You speak Arabic or speak English?
I can't speak Arabic and I can't speak in. Uh, I can speak little
Speak
English.
Arabic.
Yeah. Because Bangla is
Yeah.
my mother tongue, not English or not Arabic. I am from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh.
You're Bengali.
Yeah. How many
You
percentage
want anything?
people in
Hi,
your
hi.
country?
Waalaikumsalam. Wait lang. Sana. Pagal. Pagal, kausapin mo nga sila. Aywa. What price?
Uh, what time
I
in your
like
country
what
right now?
price?
I say, what time in your location you are eating?
Nag-click po it, sana. Time 10:27. Now.
10:20
Assalamualaikum.
at night.
Guys, finish your eating? Dinner?
Yeah.
What time? Where are you now? Number 2, where are you now?
I'm from Bangladesh right now. I live in Bangladesh, Dhaka. Dhaka is our capital city.
Ah,
1:28 a.m. at night. I think 10 hours different from your country or your location right now. There you live. Today I feel very happy that I can get a Muslim girl from Philippines. I before I met many girls who are not Muslim, but every time they say I am single mom, I have two son, I have one son, one daughter. That I am feeling boring for hearing them.
then?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah, many girls in your country that are not Muslim, they are single mom.
And then,
Yeah,
your girlfriend?
my girlfriend,
Mm.
not right here.
Assalamualaikum. How are you?
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam. Alhamdulillah.
Riza, are you married?
Morning, eating
Oh,
girls. And single mom.
You are also single mom.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So how old are you?
Hi, friend, Riyadh. Come up. 43. 43. And birthday me September 10.
Oh,
September 10, then 43 me.
I understand. Uh, did you have Bangladeshi friend in Riyadh?
I don't know. You're good?
Uh,
No problem.
uh, you can't meet any
Come up.
Bangladeshi friends before?
No.
Can you talk in
No,
Bangla?
not friend Bengali.
Yeah.
No. Oh, the best.
Yeah. Uh, I
The
learned
India. Call me.
not India. I
Well,
learned
India.
before. Yeah, yeah. I learned before some Filipino word.
Rana, you is sleeping, Rana?
Yeah.
No, no, no sleeping.
Bakit ka tahimik? Tahimik. No, no
No,
sleeping
no
to be
sleeping.
your
Your
voice.
voice.
Rija.
Rana. No.
Rija.
Rana.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
Tapi bakit ka nagtahimik? Just
I
interested.
know. Yes, I know you eating. Karaman.
Tapi kalau mi ada. Talking, you're my friend.
Your friend no talking me. Here this man only talking woman.
Oh my.
Yeah, talking you.
I don't care.
So
Ang prob ang problema ada samak.
Yeah, don't care. If I at all you only talking my friend, no problem. Because I have already have Filipina wife, have child, I already married. Double.
Rana, you are from
Yeah.
Brazil.
I work from
Brazil.
Pakistan on my country.
Uh,
Yeah, TFT my fam. TFT Brazil, Filipina my fam.
okay. TNT.
TFT.
Uh, that's it's a group name. TNT.
Yeah, same group.
TNT.
Family, same group.
Understand. Rija.
Naam.
Yeah.
Yes.
I every time I hear single mom, but I can't understand what is single mom. Single mom is women
Single
who
mom.
didn't married before or who separated from her
Rana.
husband.
Rana.
Oh,
Rana.
yes. Hmm.
Ano? Ano sa English yung namatay yung asawa?
ओके ओ यार यो कह रहे भाई
Patay yung
उठा
asawa ko.
हाँ अच्छा
Bibda.
ओके यूं कह रहे भाई उठा इस तरह ही है, अपनी मर्जी था कोई किसी ने छोड़ना चाहा किसी के लिए शादी करना चाहा उठा औरत की भी इतनी मर्जी चला जितनी मर्द की चला उधर औरत का भी इतना ही मर्जी चलता है जितना मर्द का चलता है इसीलिए जब ये किसी को छोड़ना चाहता है छोड़ सकता है जिसके साथ चाह शादी करना चाहता है शादी कर सकता है
Okay.
Bakit tahimik?
yeah understand Jahad understand me because Jahad understand Urdu.
Yeah, bro, I can't understand a lot of Hindi or Urdu because my mother tongue is Bangla. I know Bangla, some English. So Rana, bye. See you later. Same. I
Okay,
follow
okay,
you.
okay, okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Right now, where do you
Okay.
live? Rana.
On Pakistan, on my country.
Oh,
Here, Pakistan.
you live in Pakistan and you work here, right?
Only work here, Pakistan. Live here, Pakistan.
Oh. Rija, bye. See you later.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you.
You are most welcome. Um, okay, bye. Take care.
Okay, okay.